Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out a panel schedule. A panel schedule is a vital document that details all electrical loads connected to a circuit breaker panel. It serves as a roadmap for your electrical system, ensuring proper power distribution and safety. Understanding this process is essential for anyone working with electrical installations, helping to prevent overloads and maintain system integrity. We will cover 4 key steps. Before you begin filling out the schedule, you must gather all necessary information. Start by identifying the panel's voltage, phase configuration, and the main breaker's amperage rating. Next, list every connected circuit, noting its wire size and type. Finally, accurately determine the electrical load for each circuit, typically measured in amperes or watts, to ensure precise documentation. Now, let's move to the actual filling process. Assign each circuit to a specific breaker number on your panel schedule. Carefully record the circuit's detailed description, its operating voltage, and the calculated electrical load. A critical step is to balance the loads evenly across all phases, which helps prevent any single phase from becoming overloaded and ensures efficient system operation. Finally, a thorough review is essential. Double-check every entry for accuracy and completeness to catch any potential errors. Always ensure that the total connected load does not exceed 80% of the panel's maximum capacity, a crucial safety margin. Remember to keep your panel schedule updated with any future electrical modifications, maintaining its value as a reliable reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.